cutie, Gracie. Today I'm going to draw a snail, so let's get started. First, start by drawing two lumpy eyes, inside with a circle and another smaller circle. A curve inside. With three lines. In the mouth. Now just following with me. Draw the head. The body. And itself. Just following with me slowly. Continue with the detail. A circle. Now just following with me. Draw the detail of the shell. Draw a long circle inside. Now with the snail. I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to following with me and inspire you to draw it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. See you later.